Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI MatePad T10s and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we tap on it we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's just simply slide down a little bit and focus on the general settings. At the first place here we have assistive grid options, so these are the grid lines at this device. By tapping on this button we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need, and for now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera to see it, and as you can see we have these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to this button from the right to the gallery, we can't see them at the real photo, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need this we can easily go back to the settings from the left, slide again to the general and use this button to turn them off. So for now in the camera preview we can see that the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.